My name is Rahman. For a long time, my mind was always noisy. Not noisy with sound, but noisy with thoughts. Too many thoughts at once. When I woke up in the morning, my mind immediately started thinking. Things I had to do, things I forgot yesterday, things that might happen tomorrow. Even when nothing was wrong, my mind kept creating pressure. If someone said something small, I kept thinking about it. If I made a small mistake, I replayed it again and again. Because of this, I often felt tired without doing much work. One day, my teacher noticed something. He asked me, "Why do you look distracted?" I replied, "My mind is always busy." He smiled and said, "A busy mind is not always a productive mind." That sentence stayed with me. That evening, I sat in my room quietly. I tried to notice my thoughts. At first, it felt strange, but I realized something. My mind jumped from one thought to another. One moment I thought about studies, next moment about my future, then about something that happened last week. My thoughts were like a crowded street. Too much movement, too much noise. The next day, I decided to try something simple. I went for a walk in the early morning. The streets were quiet. The air felt fresh. I walked slowly, without my phone, without music, just walking. At first, my mind was still noisy, but after a few minutes, my thoughts became slower. I started noticing small things: birds flying in the sky, sunlight on the buildings, cool morning air. For the first time, my mind felt calm. That experience surprised me. I realized something important. Sometimes, we fill our minds with too much information. Phones, videos, constant conversations. All of this creates mental noise. So I started making small changes. I reduced unnecessary scrolling. I spent a few minutes in silence every day. I focused on one task at a time. Slowly, my mind became clearer. I could concentrate better. I learned English more easily. I felt less stressed. Because when your mind is quiet, your thinking becomes stronger. Now, whenever I feel overwhelmed, I pause. I take a deep breath, and I remind myself to slow down. Because reducing noise in your mind creates space for clarity, and clarity helps you move forward. Final thought. A calm mind is more powerful than a busy mind. Create moments of silence and allow your thoughts to settle. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep calming your mind, and always remember, less noise in your mind creates more clarity in your life.